Good for Business is sponsored by Washington Federal Bank. Call us Wafd Bank.
Good Thursday morning to you. Brad Goode here with your Good for Business report. Well, how big a financial hit has the pandemic taken on the pocketbook? Nearly 60% of Americans have withdrawn or borrowed money from an IRA or 401k during the pandemic. Nearly two-thirds use those retirement savings to cover basic living expenses. This is according to a new poll released by Kiplinger's Personal Finance magazine. The national poll also found 32% of respondents said that they withdrew $75,000 or more. 58% of those who took out loans borrowed between $50,000 and $100,000 to get by. Carnival Cruise Lines and Princess Cruises are beginning the new year with no stops in the U.S. Cruise companies have suspended all of their sailings from U.S. ports until spring. Princess Cruises hopes to pick up its itineraries after May 14th. Its European trips are also on pause for now. Carnival has canceled its schedule in U.S. waters through March 31st. The cruise industry has been decimated and at a standstill since the pandemic forced it to end travel plans in the middle of March last year. Well, despite the turmoil in our nation's capital, investors continue to act very bullish, pushing stocks higher to new record highs. With Joe Biden confirmed and both sides of Congress held by the Democrats, some on Wall Street predict a sell-off in big tech stocks. The assumption is more regulation will hit the behemoths like Amazon, Google, and Apple. But some investors are eyeing more stimulus and government spending to come from the new Democratic administration to boost business and secure a more solid economic recovery. And the data shows it's needed. On the job front, claims for unemployment dipped only slightly last week, indicating the labor market has slowed. But as we know, Americans are resilient, and now with certainty in D.C. on the political front, it appears the optimism on the markets can continue to run. Checking on the Dow, we see another triple-digit rally developing as it's putting up a gain of about 130 points in early trade, and the S&P 500 is now at an all-time record high. Be good to yourselves. That's Good for Business, powered by Wafd Bank.